Hey there! Have you ever had one of those days where someone's rudeness just completely threw you off track? Maybe you were at the grocery store reaching for an item on a high shelf and accidentally stepped back onto someone's foot. Instead of politely pointing it out, they aggressively tapped you on the shoulder and yelled. It's a frustrating experience that can leave you distracted for the rest of the day. So why does rudeness affect us so deeply? According to research by Benjamin Cooper of Carnegie Mellon University, rudeness disrupts our ability to focus and accomplish tasks. It triggers something called anchoring, where we fixate on one idea to the exclusion of others. This can lead to poor judgment and decision-making. When we're on the receiving end of rudeness, our minds can become clouded with negative emotions like anger and frustration. This not only impacts our mood, but also hampers our ability to think clearly. So how do we counteract this? One effective strategy is perspective taking. Try to consider what might be going on in the rude person's life. Maybe they're having a terrible day and took it out on you unintentionally. Thinking this way can help you stay calm and not get caught up in negative emotions. Another tactic is to stay focused on your tasks. If someone's rudeness has thrown you off, take a moment to regroup. Pull out your shopping list or take a deep breath and recalibrate your thoughts. Finally, use these experiences as a reminder to treat others with kindness. Sometimes encountering rudeness can actually reinforce why it's important to be courteous ourselves. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Stay positive and keep moving forward.